morning, guys! Today we're here at Island Harbour. We're going to be spending the whole day at Scilly Cay.
Scilly Cay is a mini slice of paradise set just offshore of Anguilla, so tag along for some fun in the sun today.
See you guys there!
Wow, it is gorgeous. Look at the beach over there. All right, thanks so much. Our table here?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, wow. Beach is so pretty.
That log is iconic.
Yes. I love it with the conch shells. And look at this.
It's like 20-something years old.
Yeah, this is really iconic. Look at these waters. It's so beautiful.
So pretty. I can't believe it.
Gorgeous. I love all these conch shells. It's so cool. Let's go to the bar.
Some punch.
Uh-huh.
They make such an awesome rum punch.
That's true. They're famous for their rum punch.
Hello. Can we get 2 rum punches?
Ooh. Does it taste?
So good. Refreshing. Strong.
Thank you so much.
He will come get your food on his own.
All right.
Thank you.
Wow.
This is y'all's lobster.
Damn.
They look so good.
And your fish is in here. Can I show you the fish?
Oh, we get a
With the
fish?
oil, with the
Yummy.
Onions, peppers, garlic, and butter sauce.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Looks so good. Smells delicious.
We just got some freshly delivered garlic bread.
Yum.
And guess where it's from?
The
My
best.
mom.
Best bread on the island. Wow, look at
Hello,
this. So
ladies.
beautiful.
Your special of the day.
Wow. Thank you.
And the most exotic lobster.
Wow.
Gorgeous. Okay, so today for lunch we have this most exotic lobster. This is an enormous Anguilla spiny lobster, barbecued with garlic butter sauce and served with pasta salad and fruit salad. And then we have the special of the day. This is a gorgeous snapper, grilled and served with red peppers and in a lemon garlic sauce. This looks so good.
All right, let's dig into this huge, fresh caught lobster. Oh my god, Lori.
How much meat? Oh,
So good.
Yummy. Is it fresh?
I love the sauce on top.
So much lobster.
You gotta try.
All right,
Cheers.
cheers.
Alright everybody, that was our day here at Scilly Cay.
It is heaven on earth, just gorgeous in every way. The beach, the food, the people, the ambiance is perfect.
It was such a lovely day. It's like a slice of
Beautiful.
paradise, literally.
If you haven't done it already, definitely come to Scilly Cay. It is one of a kind, just an incredible experience.
You can spend the whole day here, the snorkeling, adventuring around the island, live music.
It's
so
soothing,
fantastic, yeah.
A total paradise. So definitely come down to Scilly Cay on your next trip to Anguilla. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.